Hello everyone! Keto gummies are all the rage right now. But do they really work? Are they as healthy as people say? And most importantly, are they worth the money? Don't worry because we'll take a look at keto gummies and answer all of your questions. Keep watching to learn more. Don't miss out on our next update. Subscribe and get your hands on the latest stories before the rest. So here's the deal. Weight loss and dieting products need not always be boring and unpalatable. A classic example that we have here is keto gummies for weight loss. They are a tasty and delicious treat. Keto gummies are keto supplements in the form of tasty gummies. They will help you get into the keto diet easily and support your body to switch to ketosis much faster. There are various keto supplements, but none of them are as tasty and delicious as keto multivitamin gummies. But what exactly are the goals of keto gummies? The only goal of keto-friendly gummies is to help you switch to ketosis. Without the help of keto supplements such as keto multivitamin gummies, your body will take much longer to switch to the ketosis process. Keto gummies supplement shortens this process waiting period and speeds up the process by increasing the level of ketones in your blood. So how will this help you? To appreciate how keto-friendly gummies really help you, it is important to understand how the keto diet works. Our body is used to meeting its energy needs by burning carbohydrates because most of our diet is carb-based. This, however, may not be the best way to stay healthy. The unused fat and unused calories keep accumulating in our body, resulting in weight gain. Workouts and other weight loss strategies do not deliver the expected results because they do not touch the fat accumulated in the body. This is where the keto diet breaks ground. Keto diet forces the body to start looking for alternative energy sources and, in this case, stored fat through a process called ketosis. Keto diets make your body a fat burner machine, and it starts burning fat 24/7 even when you are sleeping for its energy needs. However, your body will take several weeks before it switches to ketosis, and this is where keto-friendly gummies play a significant role. It increases the ketones level in your body, and it helps your body to switch to ketosis process quickly and sustains the body during this transition process so that you do not feel tired or fatigued even when you are on the keto diet. What should you look for when you buy keto gummies? Keto gummies ingredients vary from one brand to the other. Even though we are using an umbrella term, keto gummies, there are several brands in the industry and each one of them try to differentiate themselves by the nature of the ingredients used and by the formula that they use. In order to make the gummies keto-friendly, they cannot contain any sugar. It has to be zero-carb ingredients too. Some of them use all natural ingredients and others even more specifically herbal or fruit extracts. Another common ingredient found in the keto-friendly gummies is BHB ketones or BHB salts. How many gummies should you take in a day? Keto-friendly gummies have to be taken as per the dosage guidelines given by the brand. You will find the dosage instructions in the product packaging. Each brand will have their own set of dosage guidelines. It is important that you do not increase the dosage because there could be negative side effects. The nature of the side effects will vary based on the nature of the ingredients used and based on the overall formula. With most brands, you should take one gummy per day. However, there are certain brands that have a different dosage pattern and they package their gummies in small daily serving bags. With such supplements, you need to take one bag per day. Keto gummies for weight loss have to be taken as a supplement when you are on a keto diet. It may not bear results if you do not follow a keto diet. This works in conjunction with a keto diet. But how quickly will these gummies work? How fast the best keto gummies work depends on two things. Firstly, it depends on the brand you select. And secondly, it depends on your body type. Most of the best keto gummies start working immediately and they'll make you feel energetic throughout the day despite following a zero-carb keto diet. The quality of the keto gummies results before and after use will depend very much on the brand you select. The industry offers a plethora of brands. When you select the most trusted brands in the industry, you will enjoy impressive results. However, you should also remember that each one responds differently to the keto diet and to the keto gummy supplement. You may take a totally different response trajectory. You just need to allow yourself enough time to let your body respond to keto gummies. So in terms of effects, in the first 2 weeks, you would maintain a very high energy level even if you are on a keto diet. Without the keto supplement, you would feel tired and fatigued. After 1 month, your body would have fully transitioned to ketosis in 1 month and start burning fat for its energy needs. After 2 months, a considerable amount of accumulated fat would have been depleted. All the stubborn fat would have started melting. After 3 months of following the keto diet with exercise, you'll notice a significant change in your weight and in your shape. You would have almost achieved your fat loss and weight loss goals. And that's a wrap. Let us know your thoughts in the comments.